హలో గైస్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ ఫార్మా జాబ్స్ తెలుగు. గైస్ అందరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? కామెంట్ అయితే చేసేయండి.
Of description. What you'll do. Greetings from Corro Health. We are hiring life science graduates for medical coding. Eligibility criteria. Should be a graduate or postgraduate in life science, physiotherapy, nursing, occupational therapy, microbiology, biochemistry, biotechnology, biology, biomedical, anatomy, bioinformatics, endocrinology, physiology, B.D.S, B.HMS, B.A.N.S zoology, bioscience, nanotechnology, food technology, botany, pharmacy, B Pharm, M Pharm of 2021/2022/2023 batch. Good communication skills. Good knowledge in anatomy and physiology. Willing to work in international time zone. Role, trainee medical coder. Location, Coimbatore. No of vacancy, 200. Virus of EXP, fresher. Salary, best in industry. Note, minimum 60% in 10th, 12th and graduation is mandatory. Time and venue. Copyright symbol 21st March to 29th March from 9:30 am to 10:30 am and contact Bhuvneshwari 9150006744. Time 2nd floor, Tidal Park, Elcott says, Aerodrome Post, 641014, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. Same company Corro Health hiring. Job description. What you'll do. Greetings from Corro Health. We are hiring certified life science graduates for medical coding. Eligibility criteria. Should be a graduate or postgraduate in life science. Should be certified in APC AHIMA. Good communication skills. Good knowledge in anatomy and physiology. Role, trainee medical coder. Work location, Kochi. Interview location, Coimbatore Tidal Park. No of vacancy, 200 plus. Virus of EXP, fresher. Salary, best in industry. Interested aspirants kindly contact Akshay -976 crores 78 lakhs 8,135. Bhuvaneshwari 915 crores 6,744. Second company V Technology, freshers. Hiring doctors and nursing for clinical reviewer at Bangalore V Tech. Job description. What you'll do. V Technologies hiring doctors and nursing for clinical review US healthcare sector. Job title, clinical reviewer. Eligibility criteria, BAMS BHMS BUMS BSMS nursing. Job description. Drafts utilization review reports assessing medical necessity of procedures recommended for injured workers. Includes analysis and summarization of submitted medical records, identification of applicable evidence-based medicine citations, and drafting of determination from the critical medical information given that is necessary to determine if a request is medically necessary. Critical skill required for position. Good anatomical and clinical knowledge. Good language and comprehension skills. Ability to stay long-term and educate themselves on new medical practice techniques. Job location, Bangalore work from office. Smart Works, The Cube Karle Town Center 10th floor building number 5 Nagwara Village, Taluk, North, Kasba Hubli, Bangalore, Karnataka 560045. A single phone call could brighten up your career. Vanitha -979 crores 7 lakhs 98,065, available on WhatsApp. vanitha.m@btechnologies.com.
ఇలాంటి ఫార్మా జాబ్స్, మెడికల్ కోడింగ్ కానీ ఇంకా ఫార్మా ఇండస్ట్రీ జాబ్స్ కోసం మన ఛానల్ని లైక్, షేర్, కామెంట్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్.